how to mention someone in Instagram story without showing them. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to mention someone in Instagram story without showing their name, here's what you need to do. So it might be a little bit complicated, but it's also simple. So first thing first, just head over to your Instagram story and pick any photos where you want to mention any person. So in this case, I'll just tap on this text button over here and simply tap on this mention, and you can see let's say I want to mention him over here, but I don't want to see or show this person's name on my screen. So in that case, what I will do is I'll simply drag and drop this person's name right around the corner. Make sure you do this accordingly because it's not like you get to do this at once, but you might have to keep trying until you get this something like this. As you can see, my person's or the person who I tagged is completely unknown from over here. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.